So hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's cubing time. So friends, in this video I'll be teaching you all how to solve the 2 by 2 Rubik's cube. So friends, before starting to solve the 2 by 2 Rubik's cube, I would like to explain you all the basic notations, movements, name of the pieces present in this cube, and also name of the layers. So first we'll start with the name of the layers. So this is called the right layer, left layer, up layer, down layer, front layer, and then back layer. Then now we'll go with the basic notation. So basic notations are nothing but the starting letter of the layer. So right layer starting letter is R, so we call right layer is denoted as R. The same way even left layer is L, up layer is U, down layer is D, front layer is F, back layer is B. So then now we'll actually these basic notations, movements, and everything I've taught you in one of my video in which I've taught you how to solve the white cross of 3 by 3 Rubik's cube. So if you want if you want them in detail, you can watch that video. So okay friends, now we'll move to the movements. So movements, when we move a particular layer clockwise, we call, for example, if we move this right layer clockwise, we call R, anti-clockwise R prime. The same way up layer U clockwise, if you move upper layer, we call U, anti-clockwise U prime. The same way left layer also, when we move clockwise, we call L, anti-clockwise L prime. So the same way you'll have even for front and back also. So friends, now let's before starting, I would like to also explain the name of the pieces present in this cube. So friends, in this cube there are no centers, there are no HPs, there are only corner pieces. So this is a corner piece, even this one, 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 and also this, also this. So there are only corner pieces, there are no centers, there are no edge pieces, only corner pieces. So friends, let's begin to start to solve the 2 by 2 Rubik's cube. So friends, I've shuffled the cube. So before starting, I would like to show you what are the steps. So to solve the cube, you have to first solve the white side. So you'll have to solve here. I'll just show you, just a minute. So I solved the white side, that is the first layer. So you have to solve first like this, and then you'll have to solve the last layer. Just a minute, I'll show you how it looks after we solve the last layer. So friends, I've solved the last layer, and the full cube will, if you solve the last layer, then the full cube will be solved. So now let's begin. So friends, I've shuffled the cube, and now let's begin to solve. So to solve, you have to first spot one of the white corner piece and keep it at the top. So I've spotted this and I will keep it at the top. And now look at the bottom color, any one. So we have red and blue. You can take any one. So I will start up with blue. So white. So I have spotted. So the other color of the white side I have taken it as blue. Don't need to focus on the red. So now look for the other white and blue edge piece. So I spotted here one of the edge piece. Whether look blue is there in this corner piece? No. Now I spotted white edge piece, so blue is here. So take this corner piece and just align it where it has to be inserted. It has to be inserted here, because when you insert it, the white will be matching like this horizontally, and even this one blue will be matching. So now you'll have to get it straight where it has to be inserted, and repeat this algorithm: R prime, D prime, R, D. Till it aligns properly, you have to repeat it: R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. So now we can see that the white is matched horizontally, and even the blue. So the same way, now look at the white and orange edge piece. Corner piece. Where is it? Yeah, white and orange. So now you can see that it has been arranged here. You can just move it like this. So you can see that it has been matched. So then next you'll have to look for white and green. So look for the other white and green corner piece. So it's here. So just take it and align it where it has to be inserted. It has to be inserted here, because when you insert it, the white will get matched horizontally, and even the green. So this has to be inserted here. Repeat the algorithm: R prime, D prime, R, D, 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 R prime, D prime, R, D. So now our first layer is solved. Now let's look how to solve the last layer. So friends, now we'll have to solve the last layer. To solve the last layer, first you'll have to solve the yellow side and then match the side colors. So here, as you solved it together, like you solved the white side and matched the side colors at the same time, but here you'll have to solve the yellow side first and then match them horizontally here in the sides. So let's see how to solve this. So keep the white solved side at the bottom, and now you can see the two of them are matched. Look for keep the unmatched piece. So this is an unmatched piece. Keep it to the right side and keep it to the front. So this I've kept it to the front and the right side. So repeat the algorithm: r prime d prime r d, r prime d prime r d. So now the other unmatched piece is here. So just move the upper layer, keep the cube in a fixed position. Just move the upper layer twice to get it to the front and repeat the algorithm: r prime d prime r d, r prime d prime r d, r prime d prime r d, r prime d prime r d. So now you can see that our cube coincidentally got solved. So actually when you solve the white side, you'll have to still apply a different algorithm to solve the side colors. I'll just show you. Just a minute. So now this is the second case. The first case is coincidentally it got solved. So now this is the second case in which I have solved the yellow side, and now the side colors aren't matching. So you can see that one of it is matching. So keep the one matched side to the back and repeat this algorithm: r prime f, r prime b2, r, f prime, r prime b2, r2, and then just match it like this. So the cube will get solved. In some rare cases you'll get a situation in which, so you can see that here one of it is matching now, but in some cases none of them will be matching. I'll just create it and show you. Just a minute. Yeah, so the yellow side is matched and none of them are matched. In a previous case one of the pair was matched. So now in this none of them is matched. So you can hold the cube anyhow, but the yellow side should be at the top, and repeat the algorithm, same algorithm. So now you can see that one of them is matched. Take the look what color is this? Orange. Take the orange and match it with the orange, and now keep the orange matched piece to the back, and then repeat this algorithm again. So the algorithm is r prime f, r prime b2, r, f prime, r prime b2, r2, and then our cube will get solved. So friends, if you like this video, please like it, share it, and also subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. Okay friends, bye bye.